Tiffany is one of my bestiest besties.
That was a lie.
Chris found the right size bit to put little holes in the Jenga blocks. Then he marked the centers and drilled each one. I used some fine grit sandpaper to clean up the edge a little bit. These bamboo skewers are $1 at Walmart.
I say a lot of stupid things. It gets edited out. It's fine.
Any wood glue will work. Apply 1 drop of glue in the hole. I used a toothpick to help it get inside the hole. Put the skewer into the hole. It was a tight fit, so I just kept twisting it until it was all the way down. Now I have to let them dry.
Tiffany plays the ukulele.
I designed this little stencil set of vegetables and fruits. I went to Walmart and bought almost every color of chalk paint they had. A Sharpie works really well. And these mini sponges work so good for this project. It's time to paint the Jenga blocks. I was doing plant markers. Tiffany was doing family names. Diamond was gonna do key rings.
We met at church. I've been watching this and I should have been watching that.
I was doing that too.
Okay.
I guess we're starting over.
After the base coat dried, I used my Sharpie to trace the letters onto the block. I created this small sheet of letters to spell any word. Tiffany used paint and a makeup sponge to stencil her words.
Our middle name is Joy!
For the next project, you'll need some key rings and some screw eyes. Take your screw eye, find center, slightly push down, and start turning. It will work its way into the block. When it got hard to turn, I grabbed my needle nose pliers to to help hold it still while I turned the block. Jenga blocks are soft wood, so you can do this without any electric tools. Once the screw eye is in place, you attach the key ring. It's just that easy. If you'd like to purchase any of the stencils we used, look in the description below.